In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix internet and network connection problems on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. If your apps aren't loading, speeds might feel slow, or your Wi-Fi just keeps disconnecting, these should help you out. But before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and navigate all the way over to the right to this little settings gear right here, and then scroll down and you should see network on here. Go ahead and open this up. Inside this section, you're going to see some basic Wi-Fi troubleshooting options. Essentially, just go ahead and highlight your Wi-Fi network and then press the play or pause button on your remote, and it's going to open up the network status screen where you can run a speed test, check connection quality, and compare your Fire TV speed to your actual internet plan. If your speeds look so much slower than expected, that's what could be causing loading problems. From my experience, I would recommend using a wired Ethernet connection if possible, since it will make a huge difference. Even with fast internet, wireless connections can cause apps just not to load, gray titles on the home screen, or slow performance. So if possible, definitely use an Ethernet adapter for a more stable connection. However, if not, you can go back to your basic Wi-Fi troubleshooting tips and just make sure that your signal strength is long. Double check your Wi-Fi password, restart your router and Fire TV by unplugging them both for about 60 seconds and then plugging them back in. And I'd also recommend turning your TV off and Wi-Fi off and then turning it back on as well, just to power cycle that too. But after trying all of those steps, your Fire TV network should be working properly again and your app should load normally. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.